I'm doing something and I've got an idea. Here, I'm taking backup of table spaces and data files. To find out their names, I used SQL command directly through RMAN. This technique minimizes the need for exiting from RMAN prompt or switching from RMAN to SQL prompt. Let me show you how you can use SQL with RMAN.
There are two ways of using SQL while working with Recovery Manager. First, work on RMAN prompt and SQL prompt side by side.
An old yet proven technique, bit inefficient at least for me. It consumes more time. Also, switching between prompts causes distraction.
Second, use SQL in RMAN prompt natively.
My favorite. Since it doesn't involve switching between prompts, thus it saves time and doesn't cause any distraction. Let's talk about it.
Prior to Oracle Database 12c, in order to run SQL with RMAN, we need to use the keyword SQL. However, even then, we didn't get the desired output. Then comes Oracle 12c and things get much simpler. It integrated the SQL with the RMAN prompt, and we could write SQL statement without the use of any keyword.
Let me quickly do a demonstration. Let's take the same example. Let's say we want to take the backup of the table spaces. Let's quickly find out their names.
This is the SQL query to find out the name of the table spaces in Oracle database. Let's see how we can use it with RMAN. I logged into the RMAN using sysuser. Let's clear the screen. Screen clear. Now to run our SQL, we simply have to write our query on the RMAN prompt, like the way we write it on the SQL prompt. Let's execute. Here is the output.
That's how we use SQL with RMAN. As you will grow in your career, you will find yourself using SQL and RMAN together. And then this tutorial will come in handy. Anyways, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed watching. If so, then give it a thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. But make sure to subscribe. Also press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon. This is Manish from RebellionRider.com.